Today, I must help everyone well.
The farm is waiting for you to lead.
The rope is loose. It's dangerous.
Let me climb up and tighten it. Don't worry, I'm fine.
Be careful, Monkey.
Oh, they're scattered again.
Let me help. We'll be quick.
Look, this is the King Mango.
You're really standing out today. Thank you all so much. We are a team. Watch out, that branch is small.
I'm fine. Got the apple.
Bananas? Red ones too? Special kind. Try it, little friend.
Why is it so big?
Never seen one before. Really interesting. The small storm came so fast. Must try to hold the shed roof.
Monkey, come down quickly!
Not yet. I'm almost done. Stay away from there. I'm fine. Let's keep helping each other.
One more plank and it'll be good.
Give it here. I'll hold it.
Thanks to everyone, everything is safe.
Our team is so good. A long but worthwhile day.
And there's still so much work waiting for us.
You did great yesterday.
It was thanks to everyone. Hope not too many bananas are damaged.
Let's see. I'm sure it'll be fine.
This bunch is still good. Great! Gather them all!
Oh, the red banana bunch.
Danger! It's about to break! Be careful, Monkey!
Almost done. Hold the bucket for me. No one is as fast as you.
As long as everything is safe.
This basket for mangoes, that one for bananas.
Got it! I'll do it the fastest.
This is too heavy.
Let me help. We can do it together. It looks much cleaner now.
A clean environment helps Bella feel more comfortable.
You always work without resting. Because the farm is my home. The hens laid so many eggs today.
Great! Just be gentle.
Almost fell there.
I'm here. Don't worry.
The farm held up well.
Thanks to the whole team working together.
Shall we fix the rest tomorrow?
Agreed. Everyone is ready. Tomorrow will be even better.
Because we are a strong team.
Today we'll fix the central area, okay?
Plan's good. Let's start.
Heavy, but I can handle it.
With my help, we can do anything.
This part is high. Need to be very careful.
I'll climb from the right side first.
Here are the nails. Hold tight.
Thanks. I'll nail it right away.
Holding the rope. Keep going. Thanks to you. Almost fell. A roof repairing star is here. Let's finish first, then boast.
Last plank, Monkey.
Good. Sắp hoàn thành rồi.
Perfect. The whole team worked together.
Let's go check if the trees are okay.
Let's go right away.
There's a strange sound in there.
Let me check. Oh, a baby rabbit is hurt.
Let me hold it still.
It's okay, almost done.
Thank.
It's okay now, rest a bit. You're safe now.
Our farm save another friend.
Glad to help.
It's safe for him here.
We'll take care of him until he's well. Hôm nay trông cậu khỏe rồi đấy.
Thank you, everyone.
Eat a little to get strong.
He'll be fine soon.
This fence is a bit crooked.
Let's fix it temporarily before noon.
Nails here? Enough?
Enough. Let's work fast. This hay needs to be dried again. Let me help bring it out to the yard.
You're so fast, monkey!
It's faster when we work together. These can still be eaten. Good, gather them up.
This basket is for sale, right?
Yes, choose the prettiest ones. Today I have a new kind. Even bigger red bananas. Must weigh 1 kilogram.
This kind is truly rare.
There's something strange out there.
Let's go check it now.
Where did this crate come from?
No signs of being shipped. All these strange big seeds.
Shall we try planting them?
Maybe these are precious seeds.
Hope they grow fast.
Who knows what surprise tomorrow holds?
We'll just wait and see. Sprouts are really growing.
Nhanh hơn mình tưởng đấy.
These trees are unusually big.
Perhaps they are truly rare.
They grew this tall in just one night.
We need to monitor them closely.
I'm feeling much better.
Great! You'll be able to run soon. The fruits are so beautiful this time.
Thanks to our careful sorting yesterday.
Today's sales should be good.
Let's work hard together.
These mangoes are truly beautiful. We take great care of them.
It's thanks to my careful selection, you know. Pico's contribution is indeed great. What a wonderful morning.
It truly feels worthwhile.
Monkey, the trees. They're growing
Unusually fast.
Let's go check them immediately.
The leaf is glowing. Be careful. Lots of leaves falling. Keep your distance for now.
It's like energy?
Is it dangerous?
Get ready! It's leaning heavily!
Oh no! It's so big! How can we hold it?
Get out of the way, fast!
Whew, almost crushed me.
Is anyone hurt?
Is anyone hurt? Fine, fine. Luckily.
No dangerous smell.
But still, be careful.
It still has energy inside.
Is it going to explode? Is there a tunnel down here?
Let me check first. There's an animal smell.
Could be a lost animal.
Monkey, are you sure?
I have to see if anyone needs help.
Stay close to me.
I'm fine. Let's keep going.
Do you hear that? Yes.
Sounds like a cry for help.
Ôi, chuột con bị kẹt.
Please, help with.
It's okay, I'm rescuing you.
I'll hold the wall for safety.
Thank you so much.
The farm always helps each other.
Monkey!
Are you safe?
Yes, saved a whole family of mice. We owe you.
Just need everyone to be safe.
These seeds are completely different.
Maybe we shouldn't plant them again.
We'll deal with the rest tomorrow, okay?
Okay, the whole team is always ready.
We must fill this hole.
Right, to prevent accidents.
Working together makes it faster. That's how our team always is.
Looks covered.
The farm is safe again.
This bunch is developing well.
Thanks to you for saving it in time.
Nothing dangerous left.
Good. The farm is stable.
Thank you all so much. Glad you're well again.
These past few days were tough, but
Worth it.
Come try new bananas sometime.
definitely.
Our farm is truly wonderful.
Thanks to your leadership.
Together, we overcome everything.
That's right.